So a few weeks ago, I showed you guys how you can make money on YouTube without having to record your own videos. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money just by watching YouTube videos without having to upload any content on YouTube whatsoever. Hey guys, if you've been wanting to make some extra cash online, it doesn't matter where you live, where you are, you can definitely use this method to make some extra cash online. Now, quick disclaimer, this is not going to make you rich. You're not going to make $10,000 per month doing this, but you can definitely make some extra cash. And no, I'm not gonna make you sign up for any survey websites where you need to watch 10,000 videos just to be able to make $1. Because if you want to make a full-time income online, one of the best things that you can do is find a legitimate business opportunity or something that can allow you to scale your business to make a few $1,000s per month. For me, that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has unlimited income potential, meaning that you can make as much money as you want as long as you know exactly what you're doing. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I did create a free affiliate marketing guide which you can download in the description below. This guide has over 40 pages that can teach you the basics of affiliate marketing and how you can turn it into a full-time income. Okay, so let's dive into this method and how it works. I'm going to show you three simple websites that you can register for free. These are websites that will pay you X amount of money for every 1,000 visitors that you're able to send using their service. So let me quickly jump into my computer so I can show you what they are. Alright guys, so let me explain how this works, and it's quite simple. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to look on YouTube for a video we're going to be using for this method. So I went on YouTube and I typed how to lose weight, and this first video right here that has 8 million views, that's the video I'm going to be using as an example for this method. Now, in order for this to work the best possible way for you, what you want to do is you want to pick a niche. You don't want to pick just random videos from YouTube. You want to pick videos from a specific niche. So in this case, I'm picking videos from a fitness niche. So there's a lot of different videos on the fitness niche. For example, how to lose weight is one category of a fitness niche, how to build muscle, things like that. So if you want to go for the gaming niche, you will look for videos in regards to that niche. In this case, I'm going to be using the fitness niche as an example. You want to go to any of these three websites, and I'm going to explain exactly how these websites work. But basically, how they work is these are shortening services. So basically, you put a link and it creates a different short link that you can share on other websites, and whenever those visitors land on your link, they will see an ad. Just like you see in this process right here, user visits your page and clicks a link, they see the ads, and then you make money for every single time someone lands and view those ads. So if we scroll down here, you can see that signing up for these websites is completely free, and you can definitely start making money by simply shortening those links to YouTube videos and sending that traffic to those links, and then you'll be able to make money from the ads that will show up in that link. So I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to go to payout rates, because I want to show you how much money you could make for every single visitor. So these are the payout rates. So that means they pay different amounts depending on where the traffic is coming from. So as you can see, traffic from the United States pays $14 for every 1,000 views. And you can see the rest of the countries here, how much money they pay for every 1,000 views, and they have different rates for every single country. So you can definitely send traffic from any country worldwide. The more traffic you get, the more money you could definitely make. So if we go up here, I want to show you another website very similar. This one is called Smoner, and basically it's the same process, the same thing. You basically short a link, and when you start sending traffic to that link, they'll see an ad. So we're gonna go to payout rates. You can see in this case that for this website, the United States pays $5 for every 1,000 views. Now here's another website called Ad Trinket, and basically it's the same thing, same process. For the United States, they pay $7.50 for every 1,000 views, and you can see the list of all the countries and how much money they pay for traffic from all of those countries right there. So as you can see, it's a very simple process. Anyone can do this. You don't need any special skills. All you need is an account in any of the websites that I've just shown you. Now the biggest questions you might have is, how do I send the traffic? How do I get enough traffic to be able to make any money whatsoever using these websites. So there's two main websites that most people are overlooking when it comes to traffic. These two websites get millions and millions of targeted visitors every single day. So I'm going to show you how to take advantage of that and how you can utilize this method to send traffic to those videos while at the same time making money from the advertising that those websites are paying. Okay, so let's talk about traffic, because if you're not able to get traffic, you won't be able to make any money. And once you get an account with any of these websites, all you have to do is basically paste and shorten that link. Once you get that link, your next step actually begins, which is how do I send traffic to this link in order for me to make money for every 1,000 views. And now we're going to start promoting this link in order to ensure that we get consistent traffic. Now, if we want to make the most amount of money possible from our links, we want to get traffic from places that we know can bring us a lot of traffic from these countries right here. And one of those websites is Quora. If you don't know what Quora is, this is a place where you can ask questions or even share links. Millions and millions of people visit this website every single day. So once you get an account with Quora, all you have to do is you can submit a question or you can answer questions from other people. And you can see here on the top where it says add a question or share a link. And you can share that link on Quora, or you can basically answer someone's question on Quora. There's thousands and thousands of questions that you can answer in very specific niches on Quora. So let me show you. So right here on the left hand side, you can see that on Quora there's specific categories that you can join, and basically once you join those spaces, you can answer questions and you can interact with other people in those spaces about those topics. So if you're promoting videos, if you're sharing videos about one niche, so let's say you're sharing videos about politics, you would join that space and you would answer questions on politics, and then you can attach your link, your shortened link, to your answers in order for people to go see those videos. The second best option for you to get targeted traffic to your link is Pinterest. So once you get an account on Pinterest, all you have to do is click on the plus sign and create a pin, and basically it's going to ask you to upload a picture, and you can name that picture, and then you can add a destination link. So that means when someone views your picture on Pinterest, they can click on it, it'll take them to whatever it is that you're promoting. So in this case, if you are promoting a video, it will take them to your shortened link. They will see an ad, and then after seeing that ad, they will get to that YouTube video, and of course you're gonna make money from the views that you get. But you might be asking yourself, well, what type of image can I upload on Pinterest to promote my link? Why not just the same image that was used on the video? So for example, I can just copy that link. I can go to a website like YouTube Thumbnail Downloader, and I can just paste that link right there, and I can download this image. I can upload that same image to Pinterest, add my short link, and voila, you have pins added to your account. So if you do this for 20, 30, 40, 50 videos, and you get organic free traffic from Pinterest of people checking out your pins, you will have more chance of getting targeted traffic, and you'll be able to make money for simply sharing other people's videos on websites like Pinterest and Quora. So to recap, the first thing you have to do is pick a niche. Don't just pick any random videos from YouTube. Make sure you're picking videos from a very specific niche. Once you have 10, 20, 30 videos, make sure you're using one of those services that I've just shown you to shorten those links and make sure you get paid for every 1,000 visitors or 1,000 views that you're sending to those videos. And then sign up for Quora or Pinterest, and what you're going to be doing is basically either answering questions on Quora, sharing links, and on Pinterest you're going to be basically uploading images, linking to your shortened link to make sure that whatever traffic you get from Pinterest or Quora gets straight sent to that video through that link, and you're getting paid for every 1,000 views. The more links you share, the more questions you answer, the more pins you do on Pinterest, the more traffic you can get overall. And this is evergreen, so that's gonna sit in those accounts forever. So the more you do, the more likely you are to generate consistent daily traffic to those videos, and you're basically sending free traffic. So there you have it. Now you have another way for you to make money online by simply sharing some of your favorite videos from YouTube. And if you want more tips and information about building businesses online, making money online, consider subscribing. I have a ton of videos on my channel that break down the process of building businesses, making money online, and hopefully that can help you make some money. With that said, don't forget to hit the like button below. It's really gonna help me out, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.